Hi guys and welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to integrate GitHub with Notion. To start this tutorial, open your internet browser and make sure you're logged on and already in notions.so. Once in Notion, tap on Settings, and then in here, look for My Connections. On the upper right, you're going to click on Show All. And then you're going to locate GitHub. Now, just tap on Connect. Now wait for the website to finish authenticating. This will take a few seconds or a few minutes, so wait for it. Once done, it will now ask you to sign in to GitHub. Just sign in your details and then click on Sign In. And that's it. Please leave a like, share, and while you're at it, subscribe to the channel.